I was in mood for some chicken wings, so I thought why not try making chicken lollipops. So let's make this amazing chicken lollipop with some garlicky and chili sauce. So for the chicken lollipop, we take 500 grams of chicken wings. From each wings, we can make around 2 lollipops. Lollipop is nothing but a stick or the bone at the end of which the meat is concentrated like a lollipop. So basically it is very easy. We have one wing out of which we can make 2 lollipops. It's very easy once you get the grip of it. We twist it in the opposite direction so that the bone cracks, or basically you feel that there is a gap between the 2 bones. We take a knife and then gently slide the knife in between these gaps. You don't have to apply any pressure. Let the knife do the work. So here we've got 2 pieces of the chicken wings. Now we'll make 2 lollipops out of these. We take the shoulder part of the wing, we gently scrape the meat into the bottom side of the bone. Just take a knife and scrape the meat into one side of the bone. Basically the idea is to make sure that the bone separates from the meat and we collect all the meat at one end of the bone, making it into a lollipop, and then the bone can be used as a stick to hold the meat. It might seem a bit tough, just be at it, and then after a couple of chicken wings you'll get used to it. So here you see that the bone is separating from the meat. So once you have it, then we collect all the meat at the one end of the bone. We don't need this extra end of the bone, we'll just chop it off. Here we have it. We have got a pretty good looking chicken lollipop. We'll marinate it and prepare the next steps. From the remaining one, we'll also make a chicken lollipop. This one has 2 bones, so basically we have to make sure that the single bone is left out and the thin bone is taken out. So to do that we make a small incision between the 2 bones. Once you have done that, you push the thin bone on the opposite direction and it just pops out easily. Here we have it. We take out the thin bone. You can discard this bone which is not needed. So repeat the same process which we did for the first bone. We scrape all the meat into one side of the bone and then make it into a lollipop. You can just simply scrape the meat to one side of the bone and then form it into a lollipop. Here we have it. We have made the second bone also into a lollipop. So we've got 2 lollipops from the chicken wings. Now similarly we'll make the other lollipops. Similarly we made all the wings into lollipops. Now we'll prepare the marination and fry them. For the marination we take 2 eggs. To this we'll add 3 tablespoons of Maida or all-purpose flour. We add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, optionally some chilli flakes, some salt according to taste, and a bit of oil. Then we mix it all together. We will add water according to the consistency we need. Make sure do not add excess water. We'll mix it so that there are no lumps. Once we've got the smooth consistent batter, we'll now dip the lollipops prepared and then deep fry them. Take the lollipop, dip it in the marinade, take out the excess marinade and deep fry it. We deep fry the chicken lollipops until they're golden brown. Similarly, we'll make the other chicken lollipops. Now we'll prepare the glaze and the sauce for the chicken lollipops. For that I've taken 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. To this we'll add some minced garlic. We saute the garlic until they're golden brown. Once the garlic turns golden brown, we add some finely chopped onion, around 3 to 4 tablespoons, or at least maximum of half an onion. We saute the onions until they're golden brown. To this then we'll add some tomato ketchup, around 2 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce. We add about 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. We add some white vinegar and we mix it well. We mix this all together, bring it to a boil, and our glaze and sauce for the chicken lollipop is prepared. To this we'll add the prepared chicken lollipop. We mix it all together. We mix it all properly together and chicken lollipop is ready. Look at these lollipops. These turned out to be really good. So garlicky and so chilly. Let's try it out. You can serve it as it is or you can serve it with the sauce. I've served it with some Schezwan sauce. So let's try it out. It's hot. just the way I like it. Amazing chicken wings in form of chicken lollipops. The chili flakes give it that punch. The garlic flavored sauce is right on the spot. I just love it. Very fast to prepare. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Give it a like if you like this video. Until next week, happy cooking and get spiced.